हेलो एवरीवन। ये जो चैप्टर है क्लास 12th फिजिक्स चैप्टर नंबर 6 इलेक्ट्रोमैग्नेटिक इंडक्शन। टॉपिक 6.1 मैग्नेटिक फ्लक्स। द मैग्नेटिक फ्लक्स थ्रू एनी सरफेस produced in a magnetic field is the total number of magnetic lines of force crossing this surface normally. Phi equal to ba cos theta b vector dot a vector. Dimension of magnetic flux phi equal to ba, b equal to f upon qv sin theta. Therefore, phi equal to f upon qv sin theta dot a. Phi mlt minus 2 upon coulomb lt minus inverse 1 dot 1 L square ml square t minus 2 upon a phi ml square a inverse t minus 2. SI unit is Weber. Topic 6.2 Electromagnetic induction. The phenomena of production of induced EMF and hence induced current due to change of magnetic flux linked with a closed circuit is called electromagnetic induction. Topic 6.3 Laws of electromagnetic induction. There are two types of laws which govern the phenomena of electromagnetic induction. First, Faraday law, which gives the magnitude of induced EMF. Second, Lenz's law, which gives the direction of induced EMF. Faraday's law of electromagnetic induction. It states follows. First law: whenever the magnetic flux linked with a closed circuit changes an EMF and hence a current is induced in it, which lasts only so long as the change in a flux is taking place. This phenomena is called electromagnetic induction. Second law: the magnitude of induced EMF is equal to the rate of change of magnetic flux linked with the closed circuit. Mathematically, EMF equal to d phi by dt. Magnitude of EMF equal to d phi by dt. B. Lenz's law. This law states that direction of induced current is that it opposes the causes which produce it, that is opposes the change in magnetic flux. Topic 6.4 Motional EMF from the Faraday's law. The EMF induced across the ends of a conductor due to its motion is a magnetic field is called motional EMF. EMF equal to BLV. Topic 6.5 Fleming's right hand rules. If we stretch the thumb and the first two fingers of right hand visually perpendicular direction, and if the forefinger points in the direction of magnetic field, thumb in the direction of motion of a conductor, then the central finger points in the direction of current induced in the conductor. This rule is also called dynamo or generator rule. हमारा थंब फोर्स के मोशन के डायरेक्शन में होगा और फोर फिंगर हमारी फील्ड के और दिस फिंगर इंड्यूस्ड करंट के डायरेक्शन में. टॉपिक 6.6 Relation between induced charge and change in magnetic flux. According to the Faraday's law, induced EMF magnitude of EMF equal to d phi by dt. If R is the total resistance of closed loop, then induced current I equal to EMF upon R, or del Q upon del T equal to d phi by del T dot 1 upon R. Delta Q equal to del phi by R equal to net change in magnetic flux upon resistance. Topic 6.7 Method of generating induced EMF. An induced EMF can be produced by changing the magnetic flux linked with a circuit. The magnetic flux d phi equal to BA cos theta 0d. BA cos theta can be changed by one of the following method. First, changing the magnetic field B, changing the area A of the coil, and changing the relative orientation of theta of B and A. Topic 6.8 ED current. ED current are the current induced in a solid metallic masses when the magnetic flux trading through them change. Topic 6.9 Self-induction. The self-induction in the phenomena of production of induced EMF in a coil when a changing current passes through it. Phi is directly proportional to the current phi equal to Li, where L is a self-inductance. Dimension ml square T minus 2 A minus 2. Topic 6.10 Mutual inductance. Mutual induction in the phenomena of production of induced EMF in one coil due to change of current in the neighboring coils. Phi is directly proportional to the current phi equal to Mi, where M is a mutual inductance. Unit of mutual inductance M equal to E upon Di upon dt. 1 Henry. Thank you. This chapter is end and next chapter will be start soon.